Hello everyone, me and my friends will make a video tutorial on how to download and install the Dev-Pascal application. Before, me and my friends will introduce the name. My name is Ayu Maulidia.
My name is Ranyanti Tombilangi.
My name is Aulia Sunita Brapadang.
My name is Adi Sohastra.
My name is Lukman Nur Hakim.
Hi guys, I'll just tell you how to download and install Dev-Pascal application. First, open the Firefox application to download Dev-Pascal. After entering letter, type download Dev-Pascal. Then select version 4.0. Because I have downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. For friends who have not downloaded, please download it first. That we go into the file manager, then we open the download folder. We look for the Dev-Pascal file that we download. To install, we click on the Pascal. Then right click, then we select Run Administrator. Then select I agree, and after that please select where you want to save it. After that select install. Wait a moment until the installation process is complete. Okay, let's open the application. Dev-Pascal. Yes, should this look like this, so that we can use it to create a folder first. Click new project. Here I use it to use the empty project. Then select where to save the file. It's up to you where to save it. And the save. Okay, don't know you can use the application. Okay, until here the video is hopefully useful, my friends, and I say goodbye to you. See you next the video. Thank you.